I'm here in the studio with Mr.
Bowen yan. Okay.
with Mr.
Vows.
Vows with Mr. Vows Rufa. We're about to record a reaction podcast to Wicked. Actually, medyo chismisa na kami kanina. Medyo
Sumabog na kami.
ang dami. Teka ka nga, dito ka nga. Ayan.
So, sino ang mga manonood ng Wicked tonight?
Sino ang mga nanood na ng Wicked at this point in
Correct.
time?
So, kunyari may mic kami. Practice na rin. Ayan.
Hinihintay pa namin kasi UD.
Correct. Wala pa si Yudi. So, we saw Wicked nung Sunday.
Yes.
And we have been changed
For good. Girl, magkatabi kami, tapos the entire time, sabay kami, alam mo, nagka-choir yung iyak namin. Oh my
Sabay
girl.
kaming umiyak, tumili. So to the people who will be seeing Wicked tonight, we are so jealous of you guys because you will be seeing it for the first
Correct.
time.
Ako, bukas pa ulit. And I want
Ako rin
to...
bukas ulit.
After tomorrow, siguro manonood ako na isa
Ay,
ulit.
nako!
Ayan na siya!
Ayan na
Manonood
siya.
kami na ano. I want to watch it again. Tomorrow kasi parang normal theater lang ako. Tapos, I want to watch it in IMAX. Like, gusto ko siyang ma-experience in IMAX. Miss Yudi, say hi.
Miss Yudi, say hi. Mag-record kami ng pod.
Hello, I'm gonna change.
Mag-change na siya. Pwede ka naman mag-change na.
Yung gown ba yan? Awa na lang.
Let's just say it was on the same day.
Correct. Actually, girl, pero naka-live.
Hindi nyo narinig, hindi narinig yan.
Ayun. So, we're doing a reaction podcast to Wicked. We're gonna do a deep dive as a theater nerds.
Correct. And it's just because I think if you see Wicked tonight, you're gonna need content in Tagalog to process it by tomorrow.
Oo.
It's a lot, guys.
Tsaka ano din, we're coming from like 3 different perspectives. So, Baus has seen it in theaters.
Yeah.
Ako, I know of it as a
Yeah.
theater fan, but I saved myself.
Correct.
I'm glad I did. I saved myself for the movie. And UD, hindi ka familiar with the material, no?
Hindi talaga.
Oh, great. So,
Oo.
you will get like a very diverse discussion sa isang virgin sa Wicked, sa isang virgin na lang sa ilong, at sa isang hindi na virgin.
Guess nyo ulit si Versex. Pauwiin nyo dito si
Pawiin niyo
Versex.
siya.
Bayaran nyo yung lipad niya. Charis.
So, ayun, grabe. Na-excite na kami sa... Guys, manood kayo ng Wicked, utang na loob. As in, wag na kayo sabi ko sa mga straight, wag na kayo mag-gender sensitivity 101. Manood na lang kayo ng Wicked. Kasi
Correct.
baka medyo pareho na rin yung effect nun.
Correct. Girl, as in, hindi ko ma-describe without spoilers. So, panoorin nyo muna. So, on this live, I can't describe without spoilers how amazing it is.
Correct.
How... Well, I haven't seen it live, but how I feel like it would be better
Uh-huh.
than the Broadway musical.
And ang nakakatawa pa is, I think all of us, ramdam natin na sobrang OA ng marketing campaign ng Wicked the past month. So, medyo like...
This is the 3rd time Pink became relevant after
Correct.
Barbie and Lenny Robredo. Charot!
Correct. So, parang like, grabe na yung expectations kasi like, binobombard tayo with messages that this is gonna be a great movie. It's gonna be a great movie. And I'm telling you guys, it delivers on that
Oo.
promise and more.
And ako, parang, even as a fan of the musical, as a fan of Cynthia and Ariana, I actually came in there ready to be disappointed.
Yes, the
Alam
same
mo
thing,
yun?
yes.
Parang, ready akong, oh, this is not going to match the hype. Parang ready akong
Correct.
ganun eh. Ready ako to see if it was gonna, like, live up to expectations. And girl, exceeded every expectation.
Girl, I swear, kailangan nyo na pong manood talaga ng Wicked. Utang
Ayan,
na
umalis
loob.
na kayo sa live na to, maghanap na kayo ng tickets, bumili na kayo.
Oo, so, at grabe, dahil din po dyan, bumili na ako ng Elphaba drink sa Starbucks. So, meron silang Elphaba cold brew, that is basically cold brew with like matcha foam. And they have a Glinda themed drink, which is basically like the pink drink
Correct.
with like blonde hair sa drink. It is for real, like I got it downstairs. Yeah.
Ako, is this, matamis mo talaga siya?
Matamis siya, girl.
Kasi I had meron before, like a few years ago, meron sa Starbucks nung parang matcha espresso keme-keme. Oh, may mga umalis nga sa live. Very good kayo, bumili kayo ng tickets.
Correct. Oh.
Anyway, ayun, Yuri's almost done. So we're gonna get to recording. I'll be back maybe later tonight. Bye!
Bye.